See this heart of yours? When you're in a calamity, the heart is disturbed. Allah created the heart. It's owned by Allah. Allah owns your heart. No one's going to repair it for you. No one's going to heal it for you other than Allah Azza wa Jal. No one. Allah Azza wa Jal doesn't allow anyone. No one. No one's allowed to touch it. No one's allowed to come near it. You think going from one therapist to another, and to a third, and to a fourth, and international, and read books of psychology and whatever is going to heal you up? That's a worldly matter. You can use that if you like, there's no problem. But don't you dare ever think that this heart will be healed with that stuff separate from Allah Azza wa Jal. Allah owns the heart, and He's the one who gives it shifa. And He gives it shifa through the Quran, through His word. يا أيها الناس قد جاءتكم موعظة من ربكم وشفاء لما في الصدور. These are Allah's words. We're not making this up tonight. Allah Azza wa Jal, He said, we revealed this Quran, موعظة, as an advice, admonishment to mankind. And within this Quran, there is shifa, there is a healing for what is in the chest, in the heart. The Quran heals in times of calamity. Every loss you suffer, there is someone in the Quran that guides you out of it. Look at Ayub alayhi salam. Ayub alayhi salam lost his health, his wealth, his businesses. All the community ran away. He was alone in his one more house left with his wife. She'd pick him up when he goes to the bathroom and puts him back. Everyone ran away. They got scared from a disease he had. 18 years. Suffered the worst type of loss. People lost respect for him. Lost his wealth, his health. His children all died. His businesses. And all along, he makes a dua. Shuf this dua. He says, As-sani ad-dur. Shuf his manners, his attitude. This is where you want to get to in a moment of calamity. My Lord, evil has touched me. Touch. Massani ad-dur. Wa anta arhamur rahimin. And you're the most merciful. Allahu Akbar. When things are easy, it's very easy for you and I to say Allah is the most merciful. But try to say it after 18 years of suffering and loss. If you can say it, then you've achieved something in life. That's the achievement. That's good thought in Allah. Hey, that's the last thing you'd be thinking about Allah, that He's the most merciful when you're in a situation like this. But the prophets are examples for you and I. If you have suffered such a loss like Prophet Ayub, he's your inspiration, he's your ibarah. His story is enough to take you from this side of the river to the side of hopefulness. Enough, more than enough.